I'm pretty sure. Local, I'm pretty sure. That's actually really catchy. Oh, yes, I love that. I love that. I love this girl. Oh, next one's from Fan 3 Fan 3 Sir Ultimate Emor. Emor? I don't know how to pronounce it. Emor or Emor. Sir Lipstick 888. I'm pretty sure she gave me the most gifts. So thank you to her. Oh, no, friends with her yet. Let's be friends with her. Fan 3 is a nice outfit. Like, I love her hair that she's wearing. Another one from Fan 3 It's called Fan 3 I looks so nice in that outfit. Oh, wow, she's bold. She wanted to cool back up. And Misty birthday cake. And Misty the birthday cake. That looks so pretty. I wish I had a cake like that. But that's never gonna come in reality. Oh, and she wanted to cool back up. Her profile is... So I won't get to, like, look at your profile. But... Next one's a new person. Cute High 555. Study. I'm going to show her profile. We're going to look so, like, weird. Like, ugh. Okay. So... Her profile looks like this. Cute High 555. Cute. I-I-I-E. Cute High 555. Yeah. Okay, so here's her profile. Another one from Cute High 5. This is gonna be right. Okay. Magic Feet. Oh, and guys, I accidentally opened this, the one before mail time, like, before I was playing, because you only put the profile news for this. So I'm just gonna find it. Kawaii Angel Cake. She gave me this one, so thank you. Oh, more from Fan 3 Did I really open these ones? Oh, that was a bit weird. But anyway. Oh, Cheeky Cheeks, yes! I've always loved that dress, guys. I like the shoes and things. Nice shoes. Cute High 555. Oh, Jesus, there's one cool back up. Oh, can you that? That really look over. Guys, comment down below. I'm not sure. Fan 3 again? I think she's giving me the most gifts. Think what Stick 888 came second. Noted. But where's the cap and, like, that top? High top looks like... I think the top looks like an outfit, but it's not gonna be an outfit because this one's white. I don't know how to say this one. Aiming high. Thought I said aiming high. Aiming high. Is this an outfit? No, this one's an outfit. It would have been the same color. Dollface top, yes, I love that top so much. Oh, yes! Oh my god, I love that hair. I wanted that hair so much. Thank you. Oh, another one from Cute High 555. Three more from her. Stripes at Sea. Okay. Metalcore. Heavy metalcore. Another one. The last one from Cute High 555. Long tank. Nice. Cookie Cutie 667. Oh, and Kawaii Angel was when he was an outfit, so yeah. Started study. I always get those skirts. I don't know why, but I always wear those skirts. Squee. What? Oh, and this is from Cookie Cute. They show from Cookie Cute. And her profile. Looks like this. No, all of them looks like Cookie. No, Cookie. I think that's supposed to say Cookie Cutie 667. Yeah, Cookie Cutie 667. Last one from Cookie Cutie 667, I think. Oh, I love that hair. I love that hair. Is that it? No. Oh, last one from Cookie Cutie 667. Da-da-da-da! Guys, I'm gonna look up presets on a rep. Oh, and the R keyboard doesn't work properly, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to check, and this is Australian MSP, so yeah. Okay, so formal fate. Where? Oh, and Kawaii Angel's looks like this, and I didn't get to see if it was rare or not, so I'll tell you guys.